Righto. So, Nev and I are going to be taking turns, facing our backs to that screen, like so.
Facing our backs. That don't make no sense.
Turning our backs to the camera to face this screen, where there's going to be a picture.
And we'll have 40 seconds.
Why are you giving us 40 seconds? That's randomly?
Yeah.
Anyway, we're going to have 40 seconds.
And what I must tell you is who without telling you is who? No, sir? So I'm supposed to tell you is who without telling you is who.
Or what? Because it's supposed to be...
So, all right, give it... So, you give it to me?
So, Jody's going to give you the...
Give it to me, you know, Jody, poor day.
The paper, and then you're going to turn your back. But guess what? I can see the plasma from here, so can you turn the monitor around? Sillies, billies.
But,
I shouldn't have
but
told
look from
you
when
anything.
Everett said that. Everett said that long time.
Okay.
What?
Turn around this way, Nev. So it's supposed to be on here, and then you're going to tell me what it is. Ready?
I have it here, though.
Is it on the screen behind me?
No, not yet.
Is it going to come up?
I've seen Smile Jamaica. All right, so let me tell you what's on the screen. Smile Jamaica. Oh. Oh, me forget that.
Is he allowed to point, Unique?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Light.
Yeah.
Draw down, fall down.
No, but...
Light?
Yeah. What's that?
It's a light.
No.
It's a rig, it's a...
No.
Beam, it's a...
That up there, so the black sitting up there, so...
I don't know what you're talking about.
Anyway.
Come, give me another clue. Just talk me through it.
Me can't talk you through
You must be able to.
Quack, quack.
Duck. So it cannot be a duck light though. It's a light duck. It's a duct.
Yes.
Okay.
Wait, no. Quack, quack.
It's a duct.
Yeah.
Light.
Yeah. Wait, no. Quack, quack.
Duct.
Yeah. But I can't say the word because the word not on it.
Light.
Yeah. But the duck. Yeah.
Seat.
Yeah. You say it a while ago.
Jody is telling me what to do. Because you just are pathetic at this.
It's a dog sitting in a light. Turn on a look.
Oh my God, Nev.
What? I was saying,
wow.
Thank you very much. So I was saying the roof, the light hanging from the roof. So I say, what is that black thing? You take everything but roof.
But all you had to do was what Jody was doing.
What was Jody doing? You said it in the...
But
where Benji do, please?
Don't know.
Me don't know in a Benji.
But I never know that we could, so we can act it out. You leave
yes.
It out.
All right, you come here now and me go
This
there.
is going to be really fun.
No, because I gave you good clues. You get the duck, you get the light.
Terrible. You
get the duck, you get the light.
Jeez, crime.
Crime.
Okay. So I am a, what gender or sex am I?
You is, I know is who, yeah, female.
Right, or?
Woman.
Right, and you are a?
Man.
Okay. What did I do to your head the other day?
Shave it, bald.
Right, so you had a what kind of head?
A bald head.
Okay, so think about those two things. And then
I am a
when
bald head woman.
Well, if you want to say so, you said it, not me. When somebody washes their hair, then what do they do before they style it?
They dry it, they blow dry it.
So put everything together in a sentence now. It's you are
a man who blow dry a woman here.
No.
I am a man. I am a blow dryer.
No, you are no. Well, I don't know if you're a blow dryer. I know you're a man.
I am a blower.
And what's the action?
Yeah.
And what did I do to your?
So I am a blow drying my ball head.
Yes, you are a
ball-headed blow dried man.
What are you? What are you doing? What?
Blow drying.
What?
A ball head.
Thank you, Jesus. See? Wow. See, look at the image, Nev.
Yeah.
Got it? Okay.
All right.
Losing weight with each clue.
All right. Come up, the man.
I'm being told to go all the way to the screen.
All right.
Meow. Puss. Cat. Yeah. You know, if you talk me through it, it's better than those slurping
No,
noises.
but you see, you're supposed to get it.
Slurping, supping, sipping.
Slurping.
Slurping. A cat slurping milk, water. Water. A cat slurping water.
But is eating water.
Melon. I don't know how that happened a while ago.
Look now. I am just the greatest cluer.
That's a very high-chested cat.
Benji wants to go inside here. Obviously.
I don't understand why he's doing that.
Yeah, Benji wants me to go inside.
All right. Yeah. So,
okay.
If you're walking on the beach, you don't wear shoes. It's much better to wear what?
Sandals.
No,
slippers.
Right.
Slippers.
And if you put 2 slices of bread and put stuff in there, what's it called?
Sandwich.
Okay, so it's 2 words in that order.
I have a sandwich slipper.
Okay.
Oh my.
Would you like to have a taste of this?
Me great.
Look, my name, you didn't look at the image.
Me great.
Yes, you're just great.
Okay. You know, where unique dog, just go sit. Go back before Benji run you. Yeah. But Benji right there? All right, we are fine now. The sandwich slipper is still up there.
Magic. Ooh. Oh my God. Are we going back to the light again? Light.
Okay. You know, in a night you need a light. Yeah.
On the night, can you just talk some more?
No, but I'm not supposed to say the words that is in it something.
So say other words around it.
But I just said.
In the night.
On the road.
Yeah.
You have a light.
Lights?
No, but it on the light on something.
Up.
Yeah.
Beam.
No.
Pole.
Yes! No, but.
Paul.
I light something almost pole, but not pole. I light almost pole. I can't say it, man. Yeah, but she don't get the light already, which is...
Light post?
Yes!
Okay, a light post. Man.
Thank you.
A man on a light post?
Yes!
No, just...
no, I said light after she said the light already.
Light almost pole.
No, yeah,
Last
but
one?
I know pole, a post, you said
Oh
pole.
my God, unique. Honest to goodness. What is this? But this is not the one that's on this. Where do I go? Which one do I work with, unique? All right, give me number 8, Joe. All right, ready. Go to my right. Okay. What's your name?
Neville.
Okay, and if you put something on your head that's not yours, but it looks like it's real, what do you call that? People wear it every day.
Wig.
Daily has a ton of them. All right, so what's your name?
Neville.
And what do you do with a wig?
Put it on my head.
And do what with it? Like clothes.
Wear it.
Right. What's my name?
Simone.
And what do I do when I get a really good joke?
You laugh.
Okay, so put it all together.
So I am a laughing wig wearer.
No. No. Remember, your name and my name is in there. And this may have happened on the show already.
So we are laughing wig wearers.
No. What's your name?
Neville.
And what do you do with the wig?
Wear it.
Right. So.
Neville wears a wig.
Right.
That belongs to Simone.
While who laughs?
Neville wears a wig and Simone laughs.
You remember that day?
Okay then. You know,
unique.
You know, that was so brilliant. I think I could do that.
That was great.
I've never been this happy and smile Jamaica.
That was the best
game
ever in life.
No, man.
It was actually a lot of fun. Don't be bitter because I won.
You did not win. I gave you good clues. What are we doing?
We're going to break. We'll be right back.
What that?
Benji.
Benji, what is this?
We may as well just do this.